Hello guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle on Sunday. Sunday. In this additional, not on Sunday's newspaper because on Sunday we have no newspaper. No, it's actually um, the newspaper of yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, January the 8th, 2022. I continue with the rest of the puzzles in additional, and two puzzles are left. The two stars, because I solved this a minute ago, and the tectonic. And now it's time for the two stars puzzle. Two stars Sudoku number. This will be number 3954. Before I start, always count the printed digits. For two stars, well, it should be 26. Here we have 27, 26, and this 25. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, told you 26 printed digits, and for 26 printed digits, a two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the last row, so no 2 and a 9 in these three boxes. The 2 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9. Okay. So three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4, 7. And the 8 is missing. Well, we have a 7 and 8 in this column. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. Wow. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers missing. Those 4 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square. So no 9 and a 5 in these two boxes. 9 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this row. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 and a 9 in the first column. So no 6 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Alright. Okay. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the first row, so no 7 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. So these 2 boxes are left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 3, 2, 8. Okay. 3, 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers are 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. Then. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 2. Okay. Alright. So now, how about these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a pair, 1 and a 3 in the first column, 1 and 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. A 3 in the first row. No, whoa. Whoa. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. Alright. 1 number left in this column, the third column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. How about... how about the 7 I cannot use. Well. What a 5? 5. Okay. 7. Yeah. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. You see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7 and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number. Now 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need. So I'm faster than the time limit. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Yes, this puzzle. Yeah. I like this very much. Yeah. A lot. Well, not a lot of pairs, but you can eliminate with 2 numbers. Yeah, in the beginning we have a lot of we use two numbers a lot. Uh, yeah, I like this one. Yes. Well, see you later with the last puzzle, tectonic with 1 star. All right. Until then, bye bye for now.